السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. معانا النهاردة بإذن الله حل الموك تيست 1 و 2 و 3 بإذن الله هيكونوا في 3 فيديوز منفصلين يعني. فمعانا بإذن الله أول حاجة موك تيست 1. عايزين نشوف الأنسرز بتاعته، ويعني لو في أي تبس أو في أي حاجة كده نقولها إن شاء الله مع بعض. طبعا الموك تيست مهمة جدا، لازم نتعود على كل الطرق اللي فيها. هي بتكون لما المنهج كله، كل أفكار المنهج، كل أفكار الأسئلة نفسها، ازاي نحلها، ازاي نعمل كل حاجة تمام. فمهم جدا إن احنا نتدرب عليها. وبإذن الله خلاص يعني كل عام وانتم بخير، يعني انتهت السنة يعني. بسم الله، خلينا نبدأ بأول سؤال. question number 1. find the unknown angle. طبعا unknown angle دي مهمة جدا، ده triangle. طيب أول حاجة really what is the measure of the unknown angle. we need to find the angle x, this angle. how we can find it? we know that the sum of measures in any triangle equal 180. so if we have a missing angle هنعمل ايه؟ بسيطة خالص. we have two angles so we will add them. so we have here 36 plus 120 will be 156. so we know that all of them 180 minus 156 and we solve it. okay, 180 minus 126 will be 24. تمام. طيب in the ordered pair 2 and 9 which number is y coordinate. we know that any ordered pair contain two numbers. the first number is x and the second number is y. if he asks for the x it will be 2, but he asked for the y so it will be 9. it will be 9. now the rectangular prism shown is made from boxes that are each 1 cubic meter. what is the volume of the prism? we need to find the volume and we have an idea to solve it. so we have the front, all the front face multiply the width. the front face is how many? count with me. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. so 12 how many layers? 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. so we have here, I'm sorry 12 multiplied by 4 equals 48. excellent. so the answer will be C. okay, now a diagram is Watson's new sandbox is blue. what is the volume of the box? we need to find the volume of this box. we have here a rectangular prism. its dimensions 3 5 and 6. so if we need to find the volume, then multiply width multiply height. it means 3 multiply 5 multiply 6, and 3 multiply 5 is how many? 15. 15 multiply 6 it will be 90. so the answer will be 90. okay, question number 5. Ahmed is 60 inches tall. which of the following is Ahmed's height? so we need to convert from inch to feet. we have here the conversion. in each question if we have to convert, we have the conversion. okay, so we have here 60 inches. 60 inches equal how many feet? equal how many foot? I'm sorry, 60 inches equal how many foot? so 60 divided by 12. 60 divided 12, 60 contains how many 12? 12 and 12 24, 24 and 12 36, 48 and 60. so we have here 5 foot. 5 foot. now some gift boxes and so on, we need to find the volume of each one, and he told me that each box represents 1 cubic unit. so we have here 1 2 3 4 5 multiply the width is 2, so 5 multiply 2 will be 10. okay, now the next question. what is the first step? طبعا السؤال ده مهم جدا لان في ابطال كتيره جدا لما بيجي يحلوا اول ما يشوفوا الاكسبريشن يروحوا يحلوا على طول. لا يعني هو السؤال ابسط من كده بكتير جدا. بيقول لي what is the first step, only the first step, and we know that the order of operations, first we have the parentheses or brackets, then multiply or divide, then plus or minus. okay, so the first one we start from the brackets so we add 2 and 12. this is the first one. okay, here what is the volume? what is the value of b minus 10 when b equal 23? so we remove b and we put 23, so we have 23 minus 10 will be of course 13. now Omar measured the dimensions of his cookies or crackers What is its volume? What is its volume? Now we have another rule for the volume, so we can find the volume by area of the base multiply the height. Well, we have here 19 multiplied 10, so it will be 190, okay? Now, quadrilaterals and its properties. Usually, which quadrilateral could have two pairs of parallel sides? Two pairs of parallel sides. طبعا two pairs of parallel sides هي موجودة في الباراليلوجرام and its special cases. أنا عندي هنا parallelogram, square, rhombus, rectangle, all of them contain two pairs of parallel sides. But who have only this property؟ يعني ما عندوش بس غير دي. يعني هو two pairs of parallel sides, so it will be parallelogram. طب it's not rectangle, it's a rectangle too, but the rectangle must be a right angle. يعني must we have a right angle. It's not a rhombus, it's a rhombus, but in the rhombus we have four congruent sides or four equal sides. So it will be a parallelogram. Now, Fahd put 4 cups of tea into the pitcher. Shown. Here we have here 4. Okay? How many more cups of tea does he need to fill the pitcher? I have here the pitcher, its capacity is 3 quarts. And each quart, we have the conversion, 1 quart equal 4 cups. So 3 quarts contains how many cups? Of course, we have here 3 times 4 equals 12. So all of it is 12. And we put 4, so we have here 12 minus 4 will be, of course, 8. Okay? Now the next one, 3 yards equal how many inches? We have here, we know that in 1 yard equal 3 foot and 1 feet equal 12 inch. So we have here 3 multiplied by 3 equals 9. So we have here 9 times 12, it will be 108. Okay, what is the volume of the rectangular prism? 8 multiply 4 multiply 5. Or we start from the lowest two numbers. It will be easy. So we have here 4 times 5 is 20. 20 times 8. So here 4 times 5 times 8. It's 20. 20 multiply 8 will be 160. Where is it? Let's see. Okay, now what is the pattern? 1 become 4, 4 become 7, 7 become 10, 10 become 13, 13 becomes 16, and so on. So what is the pattern? Of course, we know that it will be added by 3. In each time we add 3, 1 and 3, 4, 4 and 3, 7, and so on. Now what is the ordered pair of the x? This x, its x is what? 3 and 2. So where is 3 and 2? It will be B. Now, what is the sum? What is the sum of the angle, of the angles, of the angle measures of a rectangle? The rectangle is a quadrilateral, and we know that the quadrilateral, its measure will be 360, okay? Now, which quadrilateral has 4 congruent sides and no right angles? 4 congruent sides, it means 4 equal sides. We have 4 equal sides. So, which quadrilateral? All sides are equal and no right angles. There is no right angles in this quadrilateral, it will be a rhombus. Okay? Now, the next question, we have here Muhammad is traveling from his house to history museum and so on. How many meters? The distance is 6.4 kilometers. So we know that kilo, it means we have 1,000. Like in the Facebook, if you have 3K likes, it means 3,000 likes. If you have 5K, it means 5,000. So kilo, it means 1,000. So kilometer equal 1,000 meter. Kiloliters equal 1,000 liters, and so on. So we have here kilometers. So 6.4 multiplied by 1,000, it will be 6,400. Now, which point is not located on the x-axis or the y-axis? Not located on the x-axis and the y-axis, we know that any point located on the x-axis, its y is 0. And any point located in y-axis, its x is 0, okay? So, it will be so easy. Not located on x or y, so we don't have any zeros. So it will be 5 and 12, not zeros. A company developing, we have here this one. How we can find its volume? So easy. We have here the first one and the second one. So the volume of the upper one, 2 multiply 4 multiply 5, it will be 40. The other one, 2 multiply 4 multiply 6, it will be 48. And then we add them. 40 and 48 will be 88. The same idea, we have here the mass of the watermelon is 5,317 grams. We need it to be kilograms. And we know that kilo, it means 1,000. So from gram to kilogram, we will divide by 1,000. So 5,317, it will be 5.317 kilograms, okay? And we know that 1 liter equal 1,000 milliliters. So a bottle of shampoo has a capacity of 0.75 liters. How many milliliters of the shampoo? So 0.75 multiplied by 1,000, it will be, of course, 750. Now the next one, which point is located on the x-axis. I told you before, if the point locate on x-axis, its y-coordinate will be 0. So where is the 0 in the y-coordinate? It's 2, it's 7, so it will be C, because here y-coordinate is 0. Now number 24, we have here some ice cubes are stacked as shown. If the face of ice is 1 square, and so on. So you need to find its volume, count the front, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, multiply the width, so 8 multiplied by 2 will be, excellent, it will be 16. Now what is the ordered pair for x and y? This is x and y. And we have here x is where it's going to, it's just before 1,000, before it. So we have here this 600, 700, 800, 900. And it's y 800, so it will be 900, 800. And the easiest question, we have here 5 hours equal how many minutes? We know that 1 hour contains how many minutes? Excellent, you are great. So 1 hour contains 60 minutes. So 5 multiplied by 60 will be, or you can make it 5 multiplied by 6. It will be 30. And we have another 0, so it will be 300. Now, what kind of triangle is this one? If you want to know the type of a triangle, look at the biggest angle. What is the biggest angle? We have here the angles 50, 63, and 67. The biggest one is 67. And if the angle is less than 90, like 67, it will be acute or acute triangle. So we have here the acute triangle. And if the angle is 90, the biggest angle in the triangle is 90, it will be, right? And if the biggest angle in a triangle more than 90, it will be obtuse, okay? Now, number 28, which expression represents the following calculation? First, he told you add 45 and 48. Add them. And then, don't forget to put the brackets. So we have here 45 plus 48 between brackets, and then multiplied by 8. Where is it? Of course, it will be B. Now, number 29, which expression show here 25 times the difference? So we have here 25 times. We need to make multiplied by the difference between 87 and 24. So we have here 87 minus 24. Okay, don't forget the brackets. So it will be D. And the last question and the easiest one, what is the name of this quadrilateral? Of course, it's a rectangle. So we finish mock test 1 and look at the mock test 2. Goodbye.